What's going on, everybody? It's been a while, to be honest. I don't know if my video that's coming out of an explanation is coming out before or after this video, but wintertime's coming. How to get this thing ready for winter. And in turn, I bought new wheels with pretty much new tires that my dad gave me for free, which is a blessing. That helped me out a lot. But I got new wheels, and I gotta do an alternator tonight. The alternator's not gonna be on video, but I wanted to show off the wheels right now, test fit them, and then show you when everything's done and put together. So I bought a wheel. I bought new wheels for the first time in my life. I bought aftermarket wheels. Yes, they're replicas, and I have no shame in admitting that. I'm broke and I'm 20. What are you gonna do about it? The only thing I have to pick up now isn't collared nuts, because I only have tuner nuts, which are tapered, and that's clearly not gonna work on this thing, but what are you gonna do? So the only reason I got these and didn't buy Steelies like I was planning on, because the wheels that are on it, the chrome ones, which I'll show you, they're completely demolished. They're rotting out, they're corroding, they're rusting apart. It's leaking out of the beads, out of the stem. It's a whole thing that I just want to get rid of them. They're crappy. They're horrible tires or wheels. These came to me on sale, pretty much out of the blue. A dealership that I know they ordered these in by accident. They found that it fit my car perfectly and they wanted to get rid of them, so they let me know. They offered me like $50 off what they were regularly asking per wheel, so this came out to almost the exact same price as buying four Steelies, and it looks good. So I decided this was the right way to go. Pretty much free wheels. I got free tires from my dad for my winter, and I really can't complain about getting everything winter prepped. So let's go get these things mounted and go from there. So I decided to put the wheels on my car just as a test fit, and oh my god, those are hot. Compared to those, yuck. Oop, can't do that sign on YouTube. Compared to those, yuck. These, gorgeous. Oh my lord. They should be beautiful. I'm so excited to get everything nice and fitted up and tires on so I can mount these, especially since winter's coming and I have no snow tires and I'm scared of that. But let's go get these on the car. Tires mounted. Sorry last clip was super shy and unenergetic. I didn't record for like a month and a bit, but now we're back, better than ever. Got new lug nuts, got new wheels. We're gonna throw them on the car, and this video is gonna be very short, so I'm sorry. Oh man, those are hot. Especially comparing to something like this. Old, gross, ugly, cracking, peeling off. These are horrible. I should even show you this one. This one's worse. All the chrome on this, look at it. Sorry, camera strap. Still new to this. All this chrome is just peeling up. It's horrible. This is a brutal wheel. This inside, boom. It needed a new rim. And oh my god, these look phenomenal. They're crazy. I'm so happy with this purchase. I'm happy I got these at a discount because I was just gonna buy Steelies. Throw the other three on and take it for a drive. So, these lugs that I bought fit amazingly. I bought it specifically from Fast with these this wheels in size, so it knew exactly what bolt pattern it was supposed to be, how big the bore was supposed to be, the cylinder inside, everything. These lugs fit perfectly. That's why I hand threaded them in, because if I didn't, they wouldn't have sit flat in center. So just be careful of that. I had to make sure, because they thought it was tapered nuts at first until I had to call them back and whatever. But oh my lord, this car just went from like a 3 to like a 5 just from those. They look so good. I mean, the rest of the car's filthy, but those tied together, they almost forgive the dirt in it. It's crazy. I don't know. I love them. Just a little bit tire loop. I thought they were scuffed by accident, but if you like them, let me know in the comments below. They look really good in my opinion. Everything looks perfect. The fitment's still not great, but I'm never fixing that, so we're gonna ignore it. So I know today's video was super short, but all in all, I thought this was a big enough purchase for me to show off to you guys, and I would consider it a mod that is worth putting into the playlist, so anyone that's following the build for this car can see why, where, what, and they get all the details to why it was put on. But I think they look really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. I like them. But that's gonna be it for today's video, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like, because it does help me in the channel out a lot. And if you want to see more of my content, please feel free to subscribe, because again, it does help me in the channel out a lot. That's gonna be it. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.